students, this is Shimi from Don Bosco Campus Vision. I am dealing with business statistics. So today we are dealing with the last portions of module number 4 of index number, that is population index. Now when you hear the word index, understand index is just a collection of data which serves as a baseline for future reference. It is going to give you a single or an individual output. With the help of that output you can just understand. See, this is an indicator to the requirement is. Now the requirement is to understand what is population index. So population index is an index used to measure the change in number and dynamics in population. So this change and dynamics in population means it can be either increase, it can be decrease in population during what? During a current or during some year. The year will be given to you. We are going to compare with respect to some other year. Population index may be defined as an index which summarizes population, dynamics and characteristic in just one number. So understand, when index means, index is always indicative. So definitely you will get an output in a single digit, a single number. Population index include human resource development index, employment index, index of literacy level, index of life expectancy, cost of living index, etc. This all index we can say which is closely related to population. So basically these are essential for the smooth administration of a country. Next is inflation index. So as the name says, we are going to deal with the inflation. So inflation here, it means inflation index is an index used to measure the rate of change of inflation in an economy. There are several ways to measure inflation, leading to more than one inflation index with different economists and investors. Basically, we use the index model in all areas of life, from stock market to inflation. So there are several popular inflation index reports that investors and economists follow. Let us see them. The first one is consumer price index or CPI, which we have already learnt about. This inflation index measures the change in the price that the regular consumer pay to live their day-to-day life. This is what we call in cost of living index, also consumer price index. The second is producer price index, PPI. Here we are going to deal with the producers, the people who produce these commodities. So this inflation index measures the change in the price that the manufacturers and the producers experience on material necessary for conducting their business. Employment cost index is the third one. So it is called as ECI. This inflation index number measures the rising cost of hiring employees. Employment in a cost index. About how much cost, okay, how much cost is rising for hiring employees in different fields. This comes under employee cost index. So these are the different reports of inflation index.